My name is Samantha Evelyn, and I'm doing the Autonomic Nervous System for Bio 201 Modeling Project. The Autonomic Nervous System is named this because it controls things without conscious, so everything's auto. Alright, it's divided into two divisions, the sympathetic division and the parasympathetic division. First, we're going to focus on the sympathetic division. The sympathetic division is known as the fight or flight division, so it's during threatening situations. So the sympathetic division causes changes in the body that will either prepare to fight or run away. So dealing with threatening situations, it starts in the middle of the spinal cord. And when the heart's activated, blood increases, so the heart pumps harder and faster, and the heart rate increases. And we have acetylcholine, which stimulates sweat and it makes hair stand on end, so when you're scared. And we have epinephrine, which is communication. It's also known as the fight or flight hormone, and it stimulates the alpha and beta receptors. It is released from the adrenal medulla, and it gives a wake-up call to the rest of the body if something important is about to happen. An example of this is dying. I know it sounds dramatic, but it is a valid example for it. Okay, and then we go up to the beta receptors and the alpha receptors. The beta 1 receptor is located in the heart, and it increases the strength of contraction from the heart. And when stimulated, it increases the heart rate. And the beta 2 receptor is located in the lungs and arteries, and when stimulated, it increases the diameter of the bronchioles to let more air in and out during breathing. And it dilates vessels of skeletal muscles so they can receive the increased blood flow produced. So when you're running, if you're running from someone or you're in a scary situation like that, it helps you run faster, it helps your body move. And then the alpha 1 receptor is in the arteries, and when stimulated, the arteries constrict, which increases blood pressure and blood flow returning to the heart. And then we have the parasympathetic division. It's known as the rest and digest division. So it's when you're in a more calm state. And the changes in the body are important for homeostasis in non-threatening situations. And it starts in either the brain stem or at the bottom of the spinal cord. It can start in either one. And when the heart is activated, the blood flow is more slow. The heart pumps blood slower, and the heart rate decreases. And we have all the receptors down here. Acetylcholine is communication, and vagus nerve supplies organs, and the inotropic receptors, ion channel pore. And down here we have a ganglion. So this is the start of it. It starts in the central nervous system, and you have the preganglionic nerve fiber, and it goes, and it has the postganglionic nerve fiber, and then to an organ. So ganglion is just a nerve, like a cluster of nerve cell bodies, and that's how it sends all these signals throughout the body, is through ganglions. And that is the autonomic nervous system.